Hello, I am Nick the Tool, and today I would like to show you the new Master Deutsch terminal release tool. So if you're using any of the connectors on vehicles, they're often found on motorsport applications, trucks, cars, lots of different automotive applications. They can be a pin design like this, which are steel pins coming through a rubber bond at the back, or they can be this style, which are a square plug. You may find you need to replace a cable, or if it's on a commercial vehicle, maybe it's got some water ingress and you need to resolder some of the pins or recrimp them. It's all very easy when you've got the right tool. So this is the tool. It's a 6-piece product, and we're going to pick number 2 in the size, and they're basically a U shape that comes down just the correct length to be able to be put into the back of the tool, of the cable. And they've obviously got a snap-on handle, so they're comfortable. You can feel exactly what you're doing. So the first one I'm going to show you is the round pin. So they can be a little bit difficult to work with, this type of connector, but with the right tool, hopefully we can show you how easy it is. So I just slide that around until it's gone all the way in. Once it's gone all the way in, I then need to get my fingers onto the correct cable, which is here. All fingers and thumbs, and it just pulls straight out. There you can see the pin and the wire where it's crimped, so if need be you could easily cut that off and put yourself another crimp on the end and then just slide it back in. So there, within 10 seconds we've removed a pin with ease. The next one to do is this style. So you may have seen this style on your cars. These are a little bit more tricky to work with. They have a pin lock on the top, so you need to remove the pin lock. So I'm going to use a flat bladed screwdriver. These do tend to fly off, so you have to make sure they don't hit you in the face. But once you've removed the pin lock, it then enables the pins to move back through. So we're going to use exactly the same principle. So we're going to use the same size connector. We're going to drop it in here. We're going to move it round in a U shape, just following the arc until it locates all the way in. Now it's gone all the way in. I just need something to help tease that wire out, and that will pull straight through there with ease. Now you can work on that cable. Drop that back in when you're finished. Straight back in till it clicks. Drop that straight back on the top. Put it in the right way, it always helps. They just push straight back on. If I can find out which way around it goes. There you go. So if you would like some of these tools and you want to see them more close up, just ask a Snap-on franchisee.